Hey, it's Glamorousmorana, and today I'm going to be doing a pamper routine facial edition. So I'm going to be using these products on my face. You're going to be needing a towel. So first I warm up some very hot water. Allow the steam to be in the water, then pour it in a bowl. And I just put my face in the steam and I sit there for a couple minutes. Then I'm going to be applying this facial scrub on my face. So I'm massaging it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be applying Clean and Clear, this acne product, on my skin. So I'm letting it sit a couple minutes on my face to absorb in my face. Then I rinse it off. Now my face is looking soft, smooth, and glowing. Hope you guys enjoy this pamper facial routine, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.